guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm Julia Rose, and today I am going to be doing a Chanel unboxing. First of all, I just want to preface this video by saying I understand that we're in a crazy, tricky time right now. I'm not trying to be insensitive, but people are wanting to see this video. I'm more than happy to make it. It's fun to have a little distraction, a little something to watch, and I'm here to provide that for you. I am so excited that you saw the title on my YouTube video. How did I get this bag? We are in lockdown. You guys, I am an emotional shopper. Oh my gosh, I'm like a woman possessed. Where did I get this bag from? We're in lockdown. I got it from Xupes. Actually, is where I got this bag. They are a pre-loved designer emporium. They have beautiful shops, one near Bank in London, one in Bishop Stortford, and they have a couple all over Europe. Anyways, it's amazing. They send me these update emails so I get to see what's new in, and this bag, well, I first saw them put it on Instagram and I went, that is gorgeous. Julia, you don't need another bag. Swipe. Actually, I think I did that like smiley face with the drool because it was so gorgeous. That's the bag for me. I love it so much. I sold one of my other bags and I knew that this bag was coming home with me. But because we're in lockdown, they kindly delivered it to me and now it's in my house. I'm so excited. Why do I buy pre-loved? I love pre-loved Chanel bags. I love how classic they are. I love how you can get something quite different. I really, really like that. They're cheaper, which is obviously a bonus. With somewhere like Xupes, they always make sure, A, that they're 100% authentic, and B, they're in really, really good condition. It was just a no-brainer, really. Anyways, I haven't actually seen it in person. So this unboxing will be me seeing it for the first time. I was thinking about waiting till after lockdown, like something to look forward to go pick it up and film the whole thing for you guys. But it's kind of a spring summer vibe kind of bag, so I really wanted it here for all the haul videos I'm gonna do for you to match it up with some outfits, because before we know it, spring and summer are gonna be gone and we might still be in lockdown and I still won't have my bag. The people at Xupes are so friendly, so kind, and incredibly helpful. They're not judgmental, they're not snobby in any way. If you have any questions or anything, they are there to help. So I would highly recommend checking them out. I do most days on their website. Let's open the box. I'm so excited. I can't wait.
It's very heavy. My goodness. Imagine if I cut my torture. Oh, here's another one. Oh, I see. Okay, weird.
Dear Julia Rose, we hope that you are staying safe at this time and we can't wait to see how you style this Chanel. Love, Xupes. Isn't that gorgeous? Thanks, you guys. I am staying safe. Oh my gosh, this is the most gorgeous, most special wrapping. Lovely, and a lovely Xupes envelope. This is so gorgeous. What do you guys think? I mean, you guys know I'm obsessed with beige and all things camel. So this can't be that big of a surprise to you. I think it's so beautiful. I can't believe how big it is. It's way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgeous. I love this yellow gold hardware. It is my ultimate favorite of the vintage Chanel. This, no returns if removed, not a problem here. But I love how this looks with the white shirt, jeans, and my camel mules. I'm gonna get that outfit on straight away. I love this big vintage CC lock. Look at this. This is so great. I can fit so much stuff in here. It's got a pocket in the front. And then all this space, 2 zipper pockets inside on either wall. And another pocket in the back. Honestly, I'm so pleasantly surprised. The condition is flawless. There's not even any marks on the corners. Like, was this even ever used? It comes with a beautiful Chanel box, which is always really nice in case I ever decided to sell it on, which I don't think I will, but that's fine. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I'm so happy. I'm gonna wear this. This is gonna go with like all my outfits. So that's a win. It is so special. I've never seen any Chanel bags like this. This is what I love about vintage. I've never seen this bag on anybody before, but it's super special, super classic. Stripes are not gonna go out anytime soon. It's not leather, it's that material kind of canvas feel. I love that. It's perfect for spring and summer. It's so gorgeous. It's gonna go so well with whites, denim, beige, creams, basically everything in my wardrobe is blacks. Oh. So amazing. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Xupes, for making my day, week, month, and year. I love it. A big thank you to Xupes. Go check them out. I'll put the website down in the description box. But be warned, they have some gorgeous, very well priced things. I'll go check them out too. Kidding. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you back, and check me out on Instagram because I'm always posting stuff on there, and I'll see you soon.